Welcome to Stanford International University's Management Fundamentals Learning Management System. My name is Paul Hughes and I'm from the United States. There are many external links and videos and helpful documents that are contained throughout the online text, so be sure to follow these links for a deeper explanation of important topics. Also, at the end of each topic, there are several review questions. Make sure to prepare these answers, for we will be using them for in-class discussion. The Management Fundamentals Learning System has 5 main topic areas. Topic 1 deals with the introduction to management. In this topic, we'll learn who managers are and about the nature of managerial work. We will also be able to describe the different types of managers, understand the nature of managerial work, describe what organizational culture is and why it is so important for an organization. Topic 2, the environment of business. We talk about the relevant influences that factor in the external environment and explain the relationships that exist among the many external factors. We also identify the impact on business of these factors, especially regarding the trends that are occurring in external environment. In addition, we have the internal environment, and we will take a look at the different methods that we use to acquire information into this internal business environment and explain different approaches to management decision making. We also finish up on topic 2, describing the strategies of management and the strategic process. Topic 3, management theory. We have a more clear define of the theory of management, and we define management in those terms. We discussed past and emerging perspectives regarding management theory. We also want to discuss the process view of management, those things such as planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, and to explain the role of management and the importance of the organizational culture that we see in management activities. Also, we want to explain why social responsibility and ethical behavior is essential in today's business environment. Also, the end of topic 3, we discuss motivation and power that can be used by managers to effectively solve business decisions. In topic 4, business functions, we try to identify the core functions of business, and we try to explain how these functions are interrelated to one another. We try to connect the functions of management to various business contexts, such as the wider environment, the organization, and organizational strategy. We also try to explain the expanded role of the operations function in today's organization and discuss the importance of marketing functions that we have to a business environment. Realize the importance of information system is very important in technology and managing a business today. Topic 5, managing small businesses. We want to discuss the role that innovation will play in today's business. We also link innovation with entrepreneurship and try to identify the characteristics of small to medium-sized SMEs. We describe the activities that make a small business successful, and we finish up the topic with identification of future challenges for business management. As you go through each topic, make sure to write down any questions that you might have and be sure to bring them for discussion in class.